Guys, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of WordPress series, we will understand how you can add tab sections in your WordPress website step by step. Now, what is the importance of tab section? Let's say you have multiple information or multiple type of content which you want to show in a particular section side by side. But only when users select a particular, then this information should be visible. Otherwise, this should be remain hidden, right? So in order to achieve this functionality, you have to have a tab section on your WordPress website. Now there are two ways. First, either using code method, and second, use it plugin method. So by default, if you are using Elementor as a page builder, in that there is no such useful tab section or limited tab section widgets available. So in order to enhance the Elementor page builder functionality, we will use a simple plugin which will give you access to more than 50 plus free widgets available, which are usually included in the pro version of Elementor. And the plugin name is essential add-ons. So what you need to do is you need to come on to plugin section, click on add new plugin, and in the search bar search for essential add-on. Once you search for essential add-ons, you will see this plugin. You need to simply install and activate the plugin. I have already done it. Once you have activated the plugin, the option of essential add-ons will be on the left side. Just click on this option once, and now come to elements. If there is any onboarding window, just skip or next, and you have to reach to this step. Once you click on elements, just make sure that you have enabled all the elements. So just click on enable all the elements, and once it is done, click on save settings. By enabling all the elements, you get access to all the free widgets that are available in this free version of the plugin. Once it is done, now come onto your website and select the page where you want to implement this functionality. Let's say I want to implement on the about us page, so I'll just click on about us page. And since I'm using Elementor, so we will just click on edit with Elementor. Now since we have added this extra plugin, so our number of widgets have increased from the normal widget that we usually get in the Elementor window. So I'll just scroll down and I'll just click on a new section, flexbox, of course full width. And now here from the plus icon, I will search for tab. Now if you see, the by default in the Elementor free version, you get a tab version and accordion, but these are very basic option, right? You need to have some advanced one. So for that, there is a new widget called advanced tabs, and it is a part of essential add-ons widget plugin. So just drag and drop like this. And once you drag and drop like this, now you can see there are by default 3 tabs: tab title 1, 2, 3. So how this functionality works: as soon as somebody clicks on a tab title, then the text section in, or maybe the content in the particular tab, is visible, unlike the other thing. So you can show multiple tabs, 3, 4, 5, and you can show multiple information side by side. Talking about the settings of this particular widget, so on the general settings, layout is horizontal. By default, this is horizontal. If you want to make it vertical, you can do that. So instead of horizontal side by side, the tabs will be like this, 2 and 3, like this. So this will be the option if you choose it vertical. Enable icon, so you can see there is an icon also, but if you make it switch off, then there is only a text. But of course, icon makes more sense. So click on icon. Icon position inline or stacked. Stacked means if there is icon and then title, but I don't want icon and title, I want side by side, that is inline. Icon alignment left side or right side, that you can choose according to your preference. I will keep it as it is. Auto active, yes. So by default, whatever tab is selected, that will be highlighted. So that is a good thing. Toggle tab means if you want to expand. So right now there is no expansion. So if you want to make it expandable, then you can do that, but that will only work in the horizontal one, not in the vertical. So I'll just keep it off. Custom ID, scroll to click. If you enable it, scroll to click, so of course you will be able to see that, again, as soon as you click, it will be scrolled down to the content. So I just need to keep it off. And talking about the content, there are 3 titles right now. You can just duplicate, and you can have as many as tabs possible. And in order to change the content inside any tab, just click on the tab, and from here you can change the title and the content. So you can see there are options like change the icon, tab title. So let's say this is the tab title 1, so you'll say ABC, right? And the content, of course, you can choose the content or save templates. So I will go with template content, and let's say this is ABC content, right? This is ABC content. You can also add the image and etc. Custom ID, you can do that. Same with tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, and you can change the icons as well. So let's say, let me change the icon to maybe, let's say, tick or maybe right, for example. So I want to give a title like this. So let's say I want to give it arrow. So I'll just select the arrow, and then icon has been changed. So you can choose the icon, choose the content according to your need. And if I talk about the style settings, so of course you can play around with the color and the font. So here if you see tab title, you can change the color, you can change the background, you can change the typography, you can change the icon size, title minimum width, icon gap, padding, margin, background color, text color, icon color, everything you can play around with. Same with the content as well, right? So there are plenty of options available in order to play with this settings. Caret, of course, you can choose the caret on active. So this is the active color. If you want to change to, let's say, some yellow color or any other thing, you can change the color as well. So this is the caret, this is the icon color that you want to change. Responsive controls, vertical layout. If you want to keep it vertical or horizontal, that is your choice. And of course, in advanced tab, there are multiple other settings as well. So if you are already using Elementor, you might be knowing that there are by default style and advanced section in every widget that you use, and how to optimize that. So that's how you can add a tab section in your WordPress website. And once changes are done, click on publish button. And once the changes are done, now click on preview and scroll down to the section. And you can see here we have added the tab section, and of course there are 2, 3, 4 tabular, right? These are the options which are available in your WordPress website now after you added the tabular section. And of course you can see there is a sticky video on the right hand side. If you want to know how did I add this particular sticky video feature in my WordPress website, then you can watch this video. And if you want more such useful videos, then subscribe right now so that you never miss an update from our site. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.